Ever wondered how the future of food might look like? How technology could entirely re-engineer our dining experience? We're on the brink of a culinary revolution where we'll be printing our meals rather than cooking them. Picture this: 3D food printing, constructing edible creations layer by layer. It's not just about futuristic feasting, but also personalized nutrition and culinary creativity. We're entering an era where food customization is at our fingertips. Technology isn't just changing how we communicate or work, it's also transforming what's on our plates. Enter the world of 3D food printing, a fascinating intersection of culinary arts and technology. This marvel of modern science began as a mere concept, a futuristic idea that seemed more at home in a science fiction novel than in our kitchens. Yet, here we are, in the year 2024, witnessing the evolution of this technology from dream to reality. 3D food printing is more than just a technological novelty. It's a revolution in the way we approach food and nutrition. Imagine a machine that layers edible materials to create intricate, customized food products. Whether it's a perfectly portioned pasta or a dessert designed with a specific calorie count, this technology makes it possible. It allows for unprecedented levels of personalization and control, transforming the way we think about and interact with our food. With 3D food printing, we're not just cooking or baking anymore, we're printing our meals. Welcome to the future of food. But what is it that makes 3D food printing so captivating, you may ask? Well, it's the sheer magic of seeing your food being built layer by layer, almost like a culinary sculpture. What makes it even more exciting is the opportunity it offers for personalized nutrition. Imagine a world where your meals are tailored to your specific dietary needs and preferences. You could have a pizza with just the right amount of protein, carbs, and fats that your body needs. And it's not just about nutrition, it's also about culinary creativity and food customization. Chefs can now experiment with unique shapes and structures that were once impossible to achieve by hand. You could have a spaghetti in the form of a labyrinth or a chocolate dessert that looks like a miniature city skyline. 3D food printing is not just a technological marvel, it's a fresh canvas for culinary innovation. It's like having a magic wand that can conjure up any dish you can imagine. So let's embrace this new era of gastronomic wizardry. So, are we ready for this gourmet revolution? I bet we are. 3D food printing is gradually becoming a part of our culinary culture. It's not just about the technology, it's about a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine dining experiences personalized to your nutritional needs, your culinary preferences, even your artistic whims. The potential is mind-boggling. As we step into the future, our meals aren't just going to be delicious, they're going to be printed to perfection.